What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be trying something that I've been wanting to try for a long time. So I'm about to take off this protective hairstyle that I've had in for only like 2 weeks, but it's already looking dusty because I didn't do it how I was supposed to do it, but don't worry about it. But anyways, if you want to find out what this new style is going to be, just stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, I'm just taking out all of these twists and removing the rubber bands that I put in there to help me crochet the hair in. And y'all, I will say, I should not have been using rubber bands. I'm not even gonna lie to you, like, I should not have been using rubber bands. But, you know, whatever, what's done is done. You know, we're just gonna move on and find better ways of doing things. But yeah, so we're going to be removing all of these twists so we can get ready for a nice hot oil treatment, because we do need hot oil treatments over here, okay? So I'm just going to take a quick second to say that even though I didn't feel like my hair was growing very fast, I am impressed with the progress that it has made, because it's been through a lot. Bad haircuts, you know, lack of moisture because I was going through some things, but you know, through all of it, she is persevering, and I like that. I love that for me. Alright, so all of the twists are out. So as you can see, it's pretty dirty. It's mostly product buildup, but still, you know, dirty. So for oils, we're going to be using 100% pure coconut oil. We're going to be using this peppermint oil and shea butter oil. We're also going to be throwing some tea tree oil in there and some jojoba oil. And y'all, this mixture is so fire. Just wait till you see the results of my hair after just washing the oil out, like no shampoo or anything. Just wait. Okay, so here I'm just putting my hair into sections to make it easier to apply the oil. I mean, it's already got the parts in there, so I figured it'd be pretty easy anyway. So here I am just going in with the oil, starting at the bottom because it'd be kind of weird to start at the top, right? I don't know, whatever. So I'm just putting that oil in all of the parts, all of these little sections that I made, and I'm massaging it into my scalp. And I'm also going through and finger detangling some of these sections and helping that oil to break down all of that product that I have built up from that protective hairstyle. Y'all, I'm gonna say this was honestly one of my favorite parts. I love doing hot oil treatments. I just love the way the oil feels when I'm massaging it into my hair and into my scalp. It just feels like it's just getting all of that dirt and buildup, just removing all of that. Like, I just love this process. It's very soothing to me. Alright, so now that we're pretty much done, I'm just going to grab a little grocery bag because I can't find my shower caps. and I'm gonna leave this on for about 20 to 30 minutes. And now here we are after washing out the oil, no shampoo or anything, and y'all look at my hair. Look how luscious and moisturized it looks. It felt amazing. Like I told y'all, that combination was gonna be fire. Absolutely fire. Now it's time for some shampoo. I'm using this Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse by Camille Rose. This is the first time I've used Camille Rose. I don't know what's taking me so long, but I will say I'm impressed. First of all, I love the applicator. Like it makes it so easy to get right on the scalp, to get right in there, because y'all, this little fro, man, it like I love it. I love the natural, but it's so annoying to like part it and then try to get the shampoo in there with your hands and all of that. But the applicator just makes it so much easier, and I appreciate that. I need that. Y'all, I love the way this stuff lathers. Like it just, ooh, it feels so thorough. I love it. So now we're gonna go in with the conditioner, the Moroccan Pear conditioner, and it was interesting. It didn't have as much slip as I would usually like for my conditioners to have, but I mean, it got the job done. It got the job done. My hair definitely was easier to detangle, and it felt moisturized afterwards. So just quickly showing you guys what my hair is looking like after the conditioner has been in for about 10 minutes, and it was pretty moisturized and very soft, which I like, but again, I just wish it had more slip. So here we are after washing everything out. My hair feels so clean, so moisturized. It looks moisturized, and I am just so happy. So now I'm going in and I'm going to finally start the actual process of doing my hair, because it just takes me so long to wash it. Sometimes I'll be like, do I feel like doing my hair? But we gotta do it anyways. So it's gonna be a half up, half down type style. So I am parting my hair where I want that top half to be. And then I'm gonna go in with some leave-in conditioner. I'm using this Silk Elements Advanced Repair leave-in conditioner, and I'm just gonna go in with that in the back. So I'm making my parts in the back because it's actually going to be twisted up. The back part is not gonna be out at all. So I'm gonna twist all of this back here, and I'm just putting in my leave-in conditioner so I can make sure that back is moisturized. You know, we don't want no crunchy twists out here. And then I'm just gonna start twisting. So as you can see, as I go along, I'm just taking that twist from below and combining it with the next twist up. Now at the very top of this bottom section, I'm going to leave just a little bit of hair out so that I can use it to cover up the other hair so that you won't be able to see. Alright, so here's what the bottom is looking like after all the twists are done, and I've just secured it with a couple of bobby pins. Now I'm going in and working on that top section. So here I'm just parting out my bangs because I felt like I needed a little bang moment, you know what I mean? Then I'm gonna go in with some leave-in conditioner, my favorite Eco Styler gel, and the holy grail of edge control, Style Factor Edge Booster. It is the only thing that works on my edges. I don't know what anybody has told you, but try it, just try it. Now I'm going in with my hard bristle brush just to smooth everything out. I want it as slick and smooth as possible. Alright, now I'm just going in and laying those edges, and y'all, I know my edges look a little scarce, but my hair is kind of fine, you know, and they just look like that. Like I'm not losing my hair or nothing, I promise. It just grows like that, and you know, we do what we can over here, all right? Alright, now that these edges are slick, we are going to apply this scarf and leave it on for about 20 minutes or so, just to make sure that everything is dry and that it's just going to stay laying flat like I want it. Alright, now it's time for the fun part. I'm so excited about these clip-ins, y'all. I have been wanting these for a long time. So I am using these clip-ins. They're by Bobbi Boss. It is the Bohemian 8-inch clip-ins. And y'all, look at them. $30. Only $30. Like, I had to try it. And on the back here, they have some directions telling you, you know, which ones to use where, but you know, do it how you want to. So now I'm just gonna take off this scarf so we can get started. I'm so excited. I think I started with like the 6.5, or yeah, I think it was the 6.5. But so this is what they're looking like. I love the bounce. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, y'all. So I'm gonna go in just above that first twist that I put down there at the bottom, and there are snap clips. So you put the clip in and then you snap it closed. And y'all, I was feeling it. Okay, don't judge me, but yeah, I'm so excited about these clip-ins, y'all. All right. Alright, so now I'm just going in with a little bit of this Wet n Wavy mousse just to help get those curls moisturized so that they can be all shiny and keep their bounce. And then I'm gonna go back in with my Eco Styler gel for my leave out so that I can help it blend in with the hair. Alright, so here's what it's looking like currently. I am gonna go in with a couple of bobby pins because as you can see, my hair is much shorter than the clip-ins. Alright, now we're gonna start on this top section. These are the 3.5-inch clip-ins, and I'm just gonna go in and clip them to my little bun up here, and we're gonna be using these to make a bigger bun. So there's 3 total, and we're just gonna use these to make a big bun. We're gonna wrap it around, and then we're gonna secure it with some bobby pins. Alright, now I'm just working on these bangs, which I ended up not liking because of the length. Since my hair is so short, I didn't like where the bangs fell on my face. But anyways, here is what the hair is looking like. And I'm still going to go in with those bobby pins. I did end up putting my bangs completely up because I just did not like how they were looking. Like, it wasn't doing it for me. So I put them up with a little bobby pin, and then I just, went back in with my little toothbrush, get those edges straight. And here is the finished product. You guys, like, yes, $30, $30, like, come on, like if you would have told me that I was gonna find some $30 clip-ins that looked this good, I would have thought you were lying to me, because all of the clip-ins that I was seeing before were just like so high, and I was like, this can't be life. But y'all, I am so happy with the way these look. Okay, like, go to your local hair store, try these clip-ins because they are so good. I love it. But let me know what you all think about this video, if you would try these clip-ins, or if you have already tried these clip-ins and what you think about them. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You guys, I'm so in love. But I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.